Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to convert a PNG photo to JPEG on a Mac without installing any apps. So this is the photo, or this is my PNG photo. As you see here, it says PNG image. To convert it to JPEG, simply click on it with the right button of your mouse and click on Quick Actions. Now select Convert Image. A new window pops up. Here select JPEG in the format list, and here in the image size you can select between actual size, large, medium and small. Here you can also preserve metadata or not. So click on convert JPEG, and just like this your JPEG photo will be added on the same folder. This is the JPEG and this is the original PNG. And this is how to convert a PNG photo to JPEG on a Mac without using any app. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.